today I'm going to film a full day of eating to share with you. I follow intermittent fasting, so I eat between the hours of 8 a.m. and 4 p.m. It's actually well after 8 now, and I'm getting on with making breakfast. I've chopped up a whole lot of broccoli. I've got the zucchini I'm going to chop up as well, and I'm going to fry it all up for breakfast. I'm melting butter in a frying pan. I've added my zucchini and broccoli. Now with intermittent fasting, I have two big meals a day, so I have loads of veggies in both of those meals, and this meal it's zucchini and broccoli. If you're following more of a 3-meal a day keto plan, then just kind of pick one veg to have per meal. I just try and get loads in. So I'm going to cook this, add more butter as I go, a bit of salt and maybe some oregano. I've been obsessed with oregano lately, adding to everything. So that's what I'm going to do, and I'll show you the next step. There you go, look, the zucchini is getting nice and golden, and broccoli too. I'll give it another minute and then move it off onto a plate. Okay, I've popped my broccoli and zucchini onto a plate, and I've lately been enjoying ricotta on top. Ricotta, zucchini, broccoli go so well together, or just ricotta, zucchini go so well. So I'm going to add a couple of tablespoons in the little middle over there and fry up some eggs to complete my breakfast. So that is my big breakfast. Look at the nice fried eggs. I pop the ricotta in the middle there and the zucchini and the broccoli. It just makes a nice big breakfast, a great way to break a 16, closing in on 17-hour fast. And yeah, I'll probably have a snack in between and then a big meal later on. So keep watching for all of my intermittent fasting meals today. That big breakfast filled me up for hours, and I'm ready for my second big meal of the day, which is steak with mushrooms. I've got these two beautiful strip loin steaks. Look at the beautiful healthy fat on them. And I've got some mushrooms. I chopped up heaps of mushrooms, and I'm just going to make a big creamy mushroom sauce to go with my steaks. I've melted heaps of butter in the frying pan, and I've got steaks cooking, and once they're nice and softened, we'll add some cream. And in the meantime, I'm going to see to my steaks. I'm going to open up the package, salt them, and just let them come up to room temperature and just rest for a bit before cooking. Steaks are open and salted, and I'm just going to let them come up to room temperature while my mushrooms are cooking. You can see the mushrooms have reduced significantly. They're nice and softened. Perfect time to add some cream. The cream is in, and I'm just going to let it bubble away and thicken up for a minute or so, and then move it into a bowl. The mushrooms are in a bowl, and I like to just pop a lid on them so that it keeps them nice and warm while I see to my steaks. The steaks are in the frying pan. I like to cook mine for 5 minutes aside. That's how I like mine done. Cook your steak however you like them done. So I'm going to cook these, and then I'll show you my finished dish. And there you go. Take a look at that meal. Hubby's plate, my plate. Such a big filling meal. When you're intermittent fasting, if you're kind of wanting a bit of a keto day, this is just one of my go-to meals. We have regularly, not every week, but pretty regularly. So that is my second big meal of the day. Keep watching, because I feel I will have an afternoon snack just before 4 o'clock, so I will share with you what that is. Now, as I'm filming this on a Friday, I like to make a sweet treat to keep in the fridge to enjoy over the weekend. And today I'm going to make my chocolate mousse. I've shared the recipe in the past. I'll leave a link down below so you can watch the full tutorial how to make it. It's just got chocolate, stevia, eggs and butter, and I'm going to whip it all up together and make a really rich and delicious chocolate mousse. Oh, melting butter and chocolate together, it's chocolate therapy. I love making this recipe. Chocolate and butter is melted together. I added the stevia so that it would dissolve a bit. I've got another bowl there, and we've got our 4 eggs. So really it's a matter of whisking the yolks one at a time into this bowl, having the 4 egg whites in the other bowl, whisking them up till white and fluffy, and then folding it all together. It's almost like therapy. I love doing this recipe. So I will show you the finished chocolate mousse when it's done. And my chocolate mousse is made. I'm going to pop it in the fridge for a couple of hours, and then I'll show you how delicious and thick and beautiful this chocolate mousse is. The chocolate mousse has been in the fridge a few hours. Look how beautiful and thick that is. So I'm just going to serve myself up a portion, which I've topped with a little swirl of cream to end my full day of eating. So with my intermittent fasting, it's coming up close to 4 p.m. I'll have this beautiful chocolate mousse to finish off my day, and then I fast until 8 a.m. tomorrow morning, and that is my day. So thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you leave a like, subscribe for more videos, and comment too, and we'll see you again soon. Bye!